Today we are driving this 2024 Nissan Versa. The Versa is surprisingly comfortable, even though this is the smallest vehicle that Nissan makes. They did a pretty good job back in 2020 when they redesigned the Versa. For this SV model, you get the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, even wireless charger on this specific one. As you can see, half of this is digital. You can actually change what you can see here on the left side: speed, fuel economy, what's playing on the radio, and obviously your standard RPMs. This is equipped with safety features as well: safety shield 360, emergency braking, front and rear, blind spot detectors, backup camera. It's all pretty standard on this Versa. This is 1.6 liter 4-cylinder. They used to make this and Sentra in manual, but I haven't seen one in a long time. This one, as tested, is about 21,000 MSRP. Now, if you get the most basic one, obviously you haven't seen the one in manual transmission. That one would be about 17,000. But if you get the CVT S model, you will be right under 20. As you can see, pretty much all Nissans now make this steering wheel looks pretty much the same on every model. Flat bottom here. Obviously some of them you get leather wrap steering wheel, heated, but it looks pretty much the same, as well as some other obviously parts of the interior. Pull in here really quick and do a quick walk around. It's got disc brakes in the front, drum brakes in the back. For the 2024, they redesigned the seats just slightly. I don't know how well you can see, but it's this kind of grayish blue, and you have this gray insert here on the dash. One USB-C in the back. Let's check the leg room. Pretty good here. That seat is all the way back, so I don't know how I don't think I'm gonna fit here. I'm 6'1" and I have it all the way back. Pretty good space here. So I got some storage space. There's another USB-C here and USB-A there.